Komanda ng'olo Kasa Division na Brigadier Joseph Balukudembe nyezda itoro ni Engarenok anuda Aitolitol ikeche Ipotoloi lude los kintotor kesa anuda ekamia ikokola kalero ngingada tusimudun.
The leaders themselves who are saying when this summit is starting, they are the same leaders now. They are asking that no, you are arresting innocent people. They are also running around saying, release so and so. This one, you have arrested him with a gun, he can be of help. Release him so that we can use him. When actually he is a profiled character who has been terrorizing the sub-region. The same leaders who have been saying, you need to forcefully disarm these people, they are saying that what we have started is not good for the sub-region, that the Karamojong need dialogue. And we are wondering, how many times are we going to dialogue?
Ajore nyezda kopekwa na esnepu Ipotoloi kech. Ido itunga lwede parusi lukomiti kizde jaso tomana mabusun. Aringini na ada Mount Moroto nepeka laije kidepo.
Mount Moroto region, we arrested 1,858 during the cordon and search operation. Released after thorough screening 1,131. Still in custody, which are still being screened. With a lot of information leads pinning them. 519, which are still in our custody. On remand, we have 205.
Kotido, suspects arrested 552. Those who were released are 277. Then in custody 275. In Abim, we have 123. They are still in custody. In Kabong, we have 103. And then in Karenga, 07. After we have thoroughly screened them. And also, we're also going to charge them of unlawful possession of government stores.
Otomano Ipotoloi kalu aponida ikamunai ito ni ngoni loda lemera keswa magwela na rimudun.
Started buying guns from Turkana and selling and distributing them in Kotido. On our first day, as he was profiled, we arrested him in cordon and search in Potongore. Surprisingly, some leaders whom I don't want to mention, notable leaders, came begging for his release.
Kwenye deja ngonoda, ye muto la itururu mkezda apoto ngesata itunga akalo nada pupunebe. Apoto da ikokola kalumamde genitai inomata yara polilo walk, lodera polona itemu na pumpum. O district alo Kotido. Eja kaitilo woko nyezda pakio nuda rongura jari. Araide diopeta ngunu lude ichasto sinoi aiwei jiri le nya kuna ipuchu Karamoja.
Now, the Karamojongs, they are booking. They are dying. The animals are going. And we are losing ourselves. We the Karamojong only.
Atutuketeke nyesida nanga kido kwa norot. Ido Colonel Willy Bafozi Serukuma. Lodere komanda ngolo brigade la kwatangon kede ikany. Nyesida bada abone berai na itururu noem anwapupune ngesokalo.
The chairman yesterday conducted a community meeting. We have a suspect who are following who has a gun. And then the chairman promised us that he's in touch with the family members and they are promising that the brother, because the owner of the gun is in our custody, that the brother ran away with that gun. And he was waiting. He told us that I'm waiting for this gun. When it reached me, I will call you. But unfortunately, the call we got was that one for that incident of him killing.
Ido la palodo unietem aponida inoma yar apedi longole loda rake tupito notomanote ide temu na pum nyezda kwa nejaya pakita mamete dolwe yaito Godfred Eyoko TV East Kotido.